How to check unaccepted follower request on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. Click on your profile at the bottom right, then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on your activity. After you click on your activity, scroll down in your activity and then click on download your information. In here, simply click on download or transfer information at the top. Then select your Instagram account and press on next. Click on some of your information and then you'll find all these options pop up. Scroll down to connections. In connections, you will find followers and following. Make sure there's tick mark and then press on next. After you've done that, click on download to device. Select date range. Simply select date range for all time and press on save at the bottom. Then select the file and click on create files at the bottom. After you have submitted it, you will find Instagram sending you link for your information. After you open, you'll find connections. Click on connections. After you click on connections, you will find all these options pop up. Click on followers and following. After clicking on followers and following, click on pending follow request, and here you will be able to see your pending follow request. This is how to check unaccepted follow request on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.